Good morning, children. Today I am going to start again chapter first for class 6, Wonders in the Sky. Yesterday we will discuss about stars. Forwarded the video. Now we are again explaining about stars. Children, some stars together make a recognizable pattern in the sky. Such patterns are known as constellation. In the universe, some of constellation known by different names, such as Great Bear, Ursa Major, Little Bear, Orion, Hunter, Scorpio. It is now, children, we are going to discuss about our solar system. As you know, in the previous class, that the sun and its 8 planets are known as सोलर सिस्टम, अर्थात सूर्य और इसके जो 8 प्लैनेट हैं इन्हें हम लोग सोलर सिस्टम के नाम से जानते हैं. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, यू हैव टू नो अबाउट द सन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, you should know what is the sun. Children, the sun is the center of solar system and its gravity is the pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is a huge ball of extremely hot gases. The surface temperature, or you can say it, the core temperature of the star is approx 6000 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अर्थात सूरज का जो बाहरी भाग है, किनारा, इसका तापमान 6000 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है. एंड इट इज बिलीव दैट द सेंटर टेम्परेचर ऑफ द सन इज अप्रॉक्स 14 lakh डिग्री सेल्सियस. द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द सन एंड द अर्थ is approx 150 million kilometer. That is the reason we do not feel the tremendous heat produced by the sun. As you know, the earth is neither hot nor cold. As a result, we survive on the earth. न पृथ्वी गर्म है न ठंडी है. यही कारण है कि सोलर सिस्टम के जितने भी मेंबर हैं, ऐसा एक भी प्लैनेट नहीं है जिस पर जीवन निवास करती है. जीवन निवास सिर्फ पृथ्वी पर करती है. So it is called a unique planet. Now children, about the planet. The name planet is derived from a Greek word meaning wanderer. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the 8 planets or the members of solar system which revolve around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. They also rotate on its axis while revolving around the sun. These planets do not have their own light, but they reflect or they appear bright due to the reflection of sunlight. Pluto was the 9th member of the solar system, which is not listed in the solar system and known as dwarf planet. All planets are spherical in shape, but are of varying size. The composition also differs. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are rocky surface, while Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are gaseous and in liquid form. Children, as you know from the previous class, that Mercury is the smallest planet and Jupiter is the largest planet. Now, Mercury is the closest to the Sun and it is not so near to us and not also hottest planet. The hottest planet in the solar system is Venus. Venus has an atmosphere which traps the sun's heat. Now children, have a nice day, and tomorrow we will discuss about the next topic. Have a nice day.